Is your Aura frame stuck displaying loading photos or experiencing delays in syncing your pictures? This is actually a common issue that many users encounter. Understanding why this happens starts with knowing how Aura frames actually work. These devices rely entirely on cloud based operation, which means your photos must travel through the internet to reach your frame. Recent changes to Google Photos API initially caused concerns about the autosync feature. While there was an announcement that Aura would disable autosync, they are now working with Google to maintain this feature. It's important to understand that upload and sync times can vary significantly, sometimes taking hours or even days, depending on several factors, including your internet speed and the number of photos being processed. The most crucial factor for your Aura Frame's performance is having a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection. This is absolutely essential for the frame to function correctly. When you encounter the loading photos issue, your first step should be to check Aura's official status page or social media accounts to see if there are any known service outages affecting all users. If there are no service outages, the next step is to verify that your Wi-Fi network is stable and working properly for other devices in your home. This simple check can often reveal the root cause of your syncing issues. Understanding these fundamentals puts you in a much better position to resolve your Aura Frame's loading issues. In the next section, we'll dive into specific troubleshooting steps you can take to get your frame working smoothly again. When your Aura Frame shows loading photos or sync issues, start with basic app troubleshooting. Force close the Aura app completely, then reopen it. Next, power cycle your Aura Frame. Unplug it from the power outlet, wait 10 to 15 seconds, then plug it back in. This simple reset often resolves connection issues. In the Aura app, verify your album settings. Make sure you've added new photos to the linked album and haven't accidentally paused uploads. For faster uploads, optimize your conditions. Keep your phone connected to Wi-Fi and power, and leave the Aura app open so it stays prioritized. If issues persist, try resetting the frame. Locate the small pinhole on the back or bottom of your frame. Use a paper clip to press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds. If all troubleshooting steps fail, contact Aura customer support. Remember that delays are normal with large photo uploads, weak Wi-Fi signals, or when using iCloud Photos with optimized iPhone storage enabled.